So I'm Janna Levin. I'm a physicist most of the time, my day job, and I also write books, and I work at Barnard and Columbia in New York City. I'm very excited to be here, actually. I was a philosophy major at one point in college, and then I had a physicist come visit the classroom and started discussing physics, and I became completely enamored of how powerful that was and how quiet the philosophers got. So no offense to philosophers, I'm still very sympathetic to philosophy. But I did say over at lunch when we were talking about this that I'd be very excited to have some deep sort of intuition falsified, really just by a philosophical argument. I'm open to that. I don't feel I've had that experience. I've definitely had a deep intuition falsified by a mathematical argument and had to, swallow that bitter pill. But I would be very open to that. I sometimes feel that in philosophical arguments, I'm simply sparked by something that already speaks to something I believe, and it helps me frame it better. But I would like to see a bigger shift. So I'm very excited to hear from the compatibilists in particular.